My dear students, now I am going to talk about Unit 1 Basic Concept of Chemistry and Chemical Calculations. Topic Empirical Formula. It's a very important topic. Empirical Formula and Molecular Formula. First one, so important 3-mark question. Define Avogadro number. What is the Avogadro number? One mole of a substance is equal to 0.6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units. Okay, one mole, listen carefully, one mole of a substance, which is how many grams substance? 1 mole of a substance is equal to how many unit? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units of that substance. Okay, 1 mole of a substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units of that substance, such as atoms, molecules, or ions. The number 6.022 10 to the power 23 is known as Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. So, 1 mole of a substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units of that substance. The number 6.022 10 to the power 23 is known as Avogadro number or Avogadro's constant. So important 1 mark and 3 mark question. Example: calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 number of oxygen atoms. Number of oxygen atom. Say how many mole of oxygen atom? Molar mass 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, number of moles equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Okay, number of moles, find to number of moles equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 divided by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore 0.5 mole of oxygen atom. Okay, next, Avogadro's hypothesis. What is the Avogadro hypothesis? Equal volume of all gases under the same condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Listen, equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. This is called Avogadro's hypothesis. Next one, molar volume. What is the molar volume? This is important 2 mark question. The volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance. Listen carefully. The volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure is called molar volume. Listen, given the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance. Very carefully, 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure is called molar volume. 1 mole of an ideal gas is equal to 22.4 liter. So important questions. Empirical formula. Define empirical formula. It represents the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in 1 mole of a compound. Listen, it represents the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in 1 molecule of the compound. Example, empirical formula of benzene is CH. So benzene formula C6 H6 is a benzene formula. C6 H6. The empirical formula of benzene CH. Lowest number C6 H6. Lowest number and highest number equal. Therefore 6. 6 divided by 6 1. Therefore C1 H1. For example, what is the empirical formula of the following simple questions? Fructose found in his honey, caffeine a substance found in tea and coffee. Say for fructose formula C6H12O6, caffeine formula C8H10N4O2. Look, first one, fructose. Very easy. C6H12O6. Fructose molecular formula C6H12O6. How many contain compounds? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. How many carbon? 6. How many hydrogen? 12. How many oxygen? 6. So lowest number of this compound, 6 or 12? 6. Lowest number 6. Therefore divided by 6. C6 carbon C6 divided by 6. CH12 divided by 6. O6 divided by 6. Therefore lowest number 6. Therefore wait. Lowest number 6 plus C6 H12 O6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. Therefore 1 2 1. Therefore CH2O. Just caffeine lowest number. How many carbon? 8. How many hydrogen? 10. How many nitrogen? 4. How many oxygen? 2. How many compounds? 4. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Okay. So lowest number of compound, oxygen. How many numbers? 2. Therefore divided by 2. 4 5 2 1. Therefore C4H5N2O. That answer. Next one, define use of empirical formula from elemental analysis data. So step 1, since the composition is expressed in percentage, we can consider the total mass of the compound as 100 gram and the percentage values of individual elements as mass in gram. Step number 2, divide the mass of each element by its atomic mass. This gives the relative number of moles of various elements in the compound. Step number 3, divide the volume of relative number of moles obtained in the step 2 by the smallest number of them to get the simplest ratio. Step number 4, only is necessary. In case the simplest ratios obtained in the step 3 are not whole numbers, then they may be converted into whole number by multiplying by a suitable smallest number. First example 1. An acid found in tamarind on analysis show the following percentage composition: 32% of carbon, 4% of hydrogen and 64% of oxygen. Find the empirical formula of the compound. Look again one more time. An acid found tamarind on analysis shows the formula following percentage composition: 32% of carbon, 4% of hydrogen and 64% of oxygen, and find the empirical formula of the compound. How many elements? 3 elements. What? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. How many percentage? Carbon, 32% of carbon and 4% of hydrogen and 64% of oxygen. Okay. Molar mass. Say carbon atomic number 6, therefore molar mass 12. Hydrogen atomic number 1, molar mass 1. Oxygen atomic number 8, therefore molar mass 16. Relative number of moles. Percentage divided by molar mass. 32 divided by 12 and 4 divided by 1 and 64 divided by 16. Therefore, and formula answer 2.66 and 4 and 4. 4 and 4 and 4. Lowest number is there are lowest number 2.60. Therefore, divided by all 2.60 divided by 2.66 divided by 2.66 and 4 divided by 2.66 and 4 divided by 2.6. 1.5 and 1.5. Simplest ratio. The 1.5 and 1.5 fraction வந்திருக்காங்க. therefore என்ன பண்ணணும், multiple to twice. therefore 1 into 2, 1.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5, 1 plus 1 2, 1.5 plus 1.5 3, therefore 3. Formula C2H3O3, C2H3O3. And another one, calculation of molecular formula from empirical formula. Compound. First example, compound acetic acid C6H12 and hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Okay, and lactic acid empirical formula CH2O and tartaric acid empirical formula C2H3O3. Benzene empirical formula CH. Therefore find two molecular formula. Why? This is another one method. This is another one empirical to molecular formula. Okay, listen. Calculation of molecular. First one, CH2O, carbon, hydrogen, oxide, molecular molar mass, carbon 12, 80, 60 and H22. Total molecular mass 16, 34 and 90, 150 and 70. This is a molar mass of acetic acid. This one. And the empirical formula 30. CH2 carbon 12, 16, 28, 30. Therefore 30. Empirical formula 16 plus 1, 70. Okay. Molar mass divided by 30 divided 2, 3, 2, 2. Therefore no fraction more. Therefore multiple to this one. Empirical formula C2H4O2, H2O2, C3H6O6, C4H6O6 and C6H6. This one. Okay, very important empirical formula. Define empirical formula and another examples. Today homework: define empirical formula, define Ahota number, define Ahota hypothesis, and empirical formula to molecular formula and molecular formula to empirical formula calculations. So very important. All the best.